So we just found another blasting cryptocurrency that has been going crazy in the past recent times, and in today's video we're going to be looking at what its history looks like, why it's up, and basically some recent updates about this cryptocurrency. And the cryptocurrency we are talking about in this video is called AMP, as you may have read from the title and thumbnail. And we're just going to be going over what this cryptocurrency is, basically what the recent price movements of this cryptocurrency is, and basically just giving you guys an overview or an introduction to this coin. So before we get started, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen and we are currently on coinmarket.com. So if I just reset the list real quick of what it would look like for you guys if you just land on coinmarket.com, this is what basically it would look like. But if you scroll all the way down to the page and you click the number 2, so you go to the second page, because one page only has 100 cryptocurrencies. Let's head to the second page to look for the top 200. And if we just filter by the most moved cryptocurrency in the past 7 days, or even in the 24 hours, was, let's take stick to the 7 days, because this is when we look at this top of the list, we can see AMP on number 1. So AMP has been going crazy in the past week, as you can tell from the numbers. AMP currently at 1 cent right now, 0.0115, and down about 3% in the past hour, down about 8.67 in the past 24 hours. But this is just one of the few red days that we are having. As you may have known, that we are having a red day on Bitcoin also, and most of the top cryptocurrencies. So these small currency also have red days. But when the surprising number comes in is at the 7-day time frame. As you can see, if we go over to the 7-day time frame, we can see that it has moved up 121% in the past 7 days. Absolutely crazy. So let's click on this coin and let's dive deeper on what this coin actually is, and basically just give you guys an overview. So as we talked about, the price 0.0115, down about 8.62 in the past day. If we just take a look at our left panel over here real quick, we can see our market cap at around $485 million and a volume at $172 million. So we can already tell that this is just not a hype coin, because when the market cap is higher than the volume, that means more people are holding the coin instead of just trading it quickly to just grab a few profits. So this could be a long term coin also. As we look at this graph, as you can see, the volume is way less than the market cap, giving us a good sign that this is just not a hype coin. This could go into the longer terms also. So if we look at our daily graph right now, we can see our price at the beginning of the 24 hours was 0.01259 right here, and throughout the day it has gone down, following basically the trend of the other cryptocurrency in the market also. So basically it's a red day for crypto. As you can see, even the market cap is down in the day, so these cryptos are also down. But if we head to the 7-day, this is where we start to see the magic starting. We can see even at the current price that it has come down to, it is also up around 120% in just the past week. It's still seeing crazy movement happening. So we can see our starting price of this week was 0.0052. So we started from this very flat throughout the first couple of days until the I want to say the end of 11 and the beginning of the 12. So we started from 0.005 going all the way up to, let's look at the high number, going all the way up to 2 cents. So 0.0215. Absolutely crazy number, because this is more than this is about a 200 to 300% jump, possibly even more than that, because we went into that is more than a 300% jump in just a couple days, because we have seen started from the 11th going on to in the 12th in just early morning. As it got to the morning, the price did settle down a bit, but we have some choppy sideways action from this recent surge that we saw in the price of this coin. It did go more than 300% in just this week. It has come down from that number. We are, even at this current price, we are up around 120% in the past 7 days. If we look at the month, we can already see this is even higher numbers. We are up 204% in the past month. We started off the month at 0.003, and as we know, we went all the way up to 0.0215. So way more than 300 to 400% jump in the whole month. So the year has been calm for this. There hasn't been a lot of movement because of the downwards crypto market, but now it is starting to see this absolute huge rally, and this could be just the beginning. So we are letting you guys in early to learn more about this coin, basically what's happening. This could be one of the next pumping altcoins in the market. So that was basically about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about AMP and basically the recent price movements, its recent surge that has just seen in the weekly time frame, and we are up almost 300% in the past week. So I was seeing absolutely crazy movement throughout the week. This could be just the beginning though, because it has not seen a lot of movement throughout the year. So this could be just a hint in this coin to get in early. And even though it is up 300%, it could go possibly a lot more, because it has just started pumping. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live stream I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto movements, any recent price changes. So I do talk about that daily on a live stream, so do make sure to tune in. And I also create long form content on this channel as well, talking about any recent booming cryptocurrency, any recent crypto updates. So do make sure to check out that also. So if you did enjoy, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about these videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.